Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back, and today we are going to be working on removing the wrap on the Z. As you can see, there's no side skirts right now or a front bumper, just because we're working on that, and that's not going to be included in this. So what I'm going to do is just prepare by just going ahead and removing this, because I did wrap underneath it. I wrapped underneath here. I'm going to see if I can just pull it out. I think I might have to remove the door handles. Besides that, that's pretty much it. We should just be able to just peel everything off, and let's see how fast we can do it. So what I decided to do for the handles is just loosen this up, and then it actually won't be tucked in too far in where I'll be able to pull it out. And then same thing for this, because this is kind of a pain to kind of remove. It's loose with just the one bolt that goes in right here, and I should be able to get that off. I might have to use the X-Acto knife, be smooth with it, but let's get that timer going. And there you have it. With 50 minutes on the clock, we took out all the wrap minus the side skirts and the front bumper. So I'm pretty sure you can get it like just over an hour. And as you can see, definitely when you're doing it on the side with the sun, it came off way faster than the other side, but I did pull it a little too fast on this side, and the paint came off a little bit, which it happens, especially with older cars, but I probably could have prevented that by going a little slower. Let me know what you guys think. We're gonna do for the next wrap that is coming soon, so make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. A couple things I do want to mention is there is some small parts that are still lingering around, but some of it just I have to take off the full part because of the way I installed it. So depending on how you installed it, maybe that isn't an issue for you. But I'm gonna go ahead and put on the side skirts. And this was the aftermath. Goodbye to Tech Wrap. Probably won't be using you again. Kind of hard material to work with. Excited for the new one that we're gonna try out. I'm gonna give it a little review, but nothing really beats OEM paint too. Just because, I mean, can you beat paint? We'll find out on the next episode of Dragon Ball Z.